Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपीकांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदानेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। बोलो श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की
जय।
हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। हरे कृष्णा रसिक-श्याम प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा सुमित शिवम। बोलो निशा।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
Jai Shri Krishna. All right, so we'll continue Srimad Bhagavatam. We are reading Canto 1, Adhyay 8, Shlok 17. शिक्षा प्रभु पढ़ेंगे आप?
हाँ। ब्रह्म तेजो विनिर्मुक्त आत्मजय सह कृष्णया प्रयाणाभिमुखम कृष्णमिदं आहं पृथा सती। Thus saved from the radiation of the Brahmastra, Kunti, the chaste devotee of the Lord, and her 5 sons, and Draupadi addressed Lord Krishna as he started from home.
So, saving from the radiation of Brahmastra, so Lord Krishna saves. Whom does he save?
Ashwatthama from
Ashwatthama. From Ashwatthama's Brahmastra, he saves. Whom does he save?
Parikshit Maharaj.
Parikshit Maharaj, right? In Uttara's womb, Parikshit Maharaj is there. He is the last in the dynasty of Kuru Vansh, and the whole Kuru Vansh will get destroyed if he doesn't remain alive. And to save that, Lord Krishna saves Parikshit Maharaj in Uttara's womb, Uttara and Abhimanyu's son, Parikshit Maharaj. And once that has happened, Kunti, the mother of Pandavas, right? And there, Kunti starts addressing to Lord Krishna. Kunti uvacha Namashe Purusham Twadamishwaram Prakate Param Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Ananta Bahirvastitam. So Srimati Kunti said, O Krishna, I offer my obeisances unto you because you are the original personality and are unaffected by the qualities of the material world. You are existing both within and without everything, yet you are invisible to all. So Mother Kunti is starting to pray to Lord Krishna. Now, what was the relation of Kunti, Srimati Kunti, to Lord Krishna? What was the relation? Bhua, right? So Kunti was actually Bhua. But even though she is Bhua, what is she doing right now? She is offering obeisances onto Krishna because she realizes that this relation is okay, but Lord Krishna is the Parmeshwar, right? Namashe Purusham Twadhimishwaram, right? Ishwaram Prakriteha Param. So Adhyami Ishwaram, which means the original personality, right? We have read Adi, and unaffected by the qualities of the material world. So Prakriteha Param. Okay, and he exists everywhere, but still he is alaksham, cannot be seen. So Kunti starts praying to Lord Krishna. Nisha?
Maya Javanika Mudya Dokshadmavayam Na Lakshase Mudadrisha Nato Natyadharo Yatha. Being beyond the range of limited sense perception, you are the eternally irreproachable factor covered by the curtain of deluding energy. You are invisible to the foolish observer, exactly as an actor dressed as a player is not recognized. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right, so beyond the range of limited sense perception. So like all of us have just such a limited sense of intelligence, sense of perception. Lord Krishna is beyond that, and Kunti Mata here herself is saying that you are eternally irreproachable factor. Why? Because we are all covered by the curtain of deluding energy, this material world. So like this, Kunti is addressing Lord Krishna. Sumit?
तथा परमहंसानं मुनीनामामलात्मनं भक्ति योग विद्यानार्थं कथं पश्येम हि स्त्रियः. You yourself descend to propagate the transcendental science of devotional service onto the hearts of the advanced transcendentalist and mental speculators, who are purified by being able to discriminate between matter and spirit. How then can we women know you perfectly?
Right. How is it possible to know Lord Krishna perfectly? Ravi?
Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nandagopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Let me therefore offer my respectful obeisance unto the God who has become the son of Vasudeva, the pleasure of Devaki, the boy of Nanda, and the other cowherd man of Vrindavana, and the unlaver of the cows and the senses. Hare Krishna.
Right. तो इस तरह से describe करने के बाद में Kunti Bhuva is offering respectful obeisances unto the Lord, who is Vasudev, right? Devaki Nandana, right? Nature of Devaki, Nand, and Gop Kumarai, right? So the boy of Nand and other cowherd men of Vrindavan. So Govindai Namo Namah. So Kunti, Mother Kunti is offering the respectful obeisances unto the Lord Krishna. Mukesh?
Namaha Pankaj Nabhaya Namaha Pankaj Nabhaya Namaha Pankaj Jamaline Namaha Pankaje Nastraya Namaste Pankaj Gaja Jangrai. My respectful obeisances unto you, Lord, whose abdomen with a depression like lotus flower, who are always decorated with garlands of lotus flowers, whose glance is as cool as the lotus, and whose feet are engraved with lotuses.
Right. So how is Kunti Mata describing Lord Krishna? Right. Namah Pankaj Pankajana Bhaya. Bhaya like Nabhi, Nabhaya. Right. So we have seen how Lord Vishnu's Nabhi, Lord Brahma is appearing, right, from Lord Vishnu's Nabhi. So Lord Krishna has a special abdomen which is marked like a lotus flower. Namah Pankaj Maline. So Mala, garland of lotus flowers. Namah Pankaj Netraya. So whose glance is as cool as the lotus. And then Namaste Pankaja Dhraye. So whose feet are engraved with lotuses. So that's how Kunti Mata is describing Lord Krishna.
इसमें ऐसा है प्रभु जी, पहले माता कुंती ने भगवान के नाभि से प्रणाम शुरू किया है, लास्ट में वो चरण में गई हैं, बिकॉज शी मतलब उनका रिलेशन में वो बुआ है, इसलिए पहले चरण का उन्होंने वंदना नहीं किया, पहले नाभि का वंदना किया है।
सही है, गुड पॉइंट, राइट। सो पंकज नाभा है पहले, फिर माला, फिर नेत्राय और फिर एंड में उनके भगवान के चरणों के नीचे कमल के निशान, कमल के पास, right? Like feet are engraved with lotuses. यथा ऋषिकेश खलेन देवकी कंसेन रुद्वाति चिरं शुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सात्मजा विभो त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विद्वनाथ। शिवम।
O Hrishikesh, master of the senses and lord of the lords, we have released your mother Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious king Kamsa, and me and my children from a series of constant dangers. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right? So what does Rishikesh means? The master of the senses, right? One who controls all the senses. And as you can see, of course, we all know कि भगवान कृष्ण ने कैसे वसुदेव और देवकी जी को छुड़ाया कंस के प्रिजन से, and similarly त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विद्वनाथ। So similarly भगवान ने कुंती माता के बच्चे पांडव पुत्र, right, को constant dangers, we know, like during Mahabharata and before that, Pandavas went through constant rigorous dangerous situations, and कृष्ण भगवान ने उन्हें भी उनसे बचाया। निशा।
विषान् महाग्ने पुरुषार्थ दर्शना दशत्सभाया वनवास कृष्यता हृदय मुदेनेक महारथास्त्रतो द्रौण्यस्तत्रश्चास्म हरेभिरीक्षिताः। My dear Krishna, your lordship has protected us from a poisoned cake, from great fire, from cannibals, from the vicious assembly, from sufferings during our exile in the forest, and from the battle where great generals fought. And now you have saved us from the weapon of Ashwatthama. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Kunti Mata is remembering everything. So Lord Krishna विष से बचाया भीम को, फिर remember श्वान अग्नि, right, we all remember लाक्षागृह, right, so like that मृगे अनेक महारथास्त्रों, like अनेक टाइम युद्ध में अनेक महारथियों से युद्ध में, and इसी तरह अश्वत्थामा से भी उनके कुल की रक्षा करी है लॉर्ड कृष्ण भगवान ने। विपदः संतुता है शाश्वत तत्र जगत गुरु भवतो दर्शनम यत्तशाद पुनर्भव दर्शनम। सोहम।
I wish that all the all those calamities would happen again and again so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated births and deaths. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So look at this. What is Kunti Mata saying to Lord Krishna? Let those calamities happen again and again. See, हम लोग सब क्या करते हैं? We go to Lord and say, भगवान मुझे इससे बचाओ, ये बचाओ, या मुझे ये दो, वो दो, right? And we know how distressful the whole Mahabharata was. But what is Mother Kunti saying? Vipada hai, right? All these vipada, santu ta hai, sashva tatra tatra, right? Happen again and again. Why? Bhauto darshanam. Because when those happens, you come to protect us all the time. So we could see you again and again. And what happens if we see you again? Yat shad punarbha darshanam. So seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated births and deaths, right? So who cares about all these calamities and all that? But the real thing and the real purpose of human life is to really get your darshan, to really go back to Godhead. So I think this is a very important shlok for all of us. Right? Prabhuji, you want to say something?
Last one.
Okay. All right, so we'll continue. Sumit?
Janmaiswarya Shruta Shribhar Edha Mana Madha Puman Nivahritya Biditam Va Twaka Kincha Nago Charam. My Lord, your Lordship can easily be approached, but only by those who are materially exhausted. One who is on the path of material progress, trying to improve himself with respectable parentage, great opulence, high education, and bodily beauty cannot approach you with sincere feeling. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, another important thing, Kunti Mata is praying to Lord Krishna, but she is saying that you can be easily approached, right? But what's happening is we are all materially exhausted. We are all trying to be rich or beautiful or high education and all those kind of things. So we are all stuck into that. If we are too much stuck into that, we don't have sincere feeling. And if we don't have the sincere feeling, then we cannot approach him. But otherwise, Lordship with devotion is easily approachable. Anil Prabhu? Anilji?
जी नमो किंचन वित्ताय निवृत्त गुणवृत्तये आत्मा रामाय शांताय कैवल्य पते नमः. My obeisances are unto you who are the property of the materially impoverished. You have nothing to do with the actions and reactions of the material modes of nature. You are self-satisfied and therefore you are the most gentle and are master of the monis. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Kevalyapatiye namaha. Shiksha Prabhu?
Manne tvam kalam nishanam nidhanam anadi nidhanam vibhum samacharantam sarvatra bhutanam yanmitha kali. My Lord, I consider your Lordship to be eternal time, the supreme controller, without beginning and end, the all
pervasive one.
All pervasive one in distributing your mercy. You are equal to everyone, the distinction between living being and due to social intercourse.
Ravi?
Yes. न वेद किंचित् वर्षित क्रीशतम त्वहे मानस्य नृण विडम्बनम् न यस्य कञ्चिद्युतोदस्ति महिर्चितं देश्यश्च यस्मिन् विषमा मृति नृणाम्. O Lord, no one can understand your transcendental pastimes, which appears to be the human and are so misleading. You have no specific object of favor, nor do you have any object of envy. People only imagine that you are partial. Hare Krishna.
Right. Right. No one can understand really the transcendental pastimes of Lord Krishna. Is what Kunti is saying. Mukesh?
जन्म कर्म चा विश्वतामान अजेयस कारंतुर आत्मनः तृतीयान निस्यु यदाशु ताद अत्यंता vidambanam. Of course, it is bewildering, O soul of the universe, that you work through, you are inactive, that you take birth, though you are the vital force and the unborn. You yourself descend among animals, men, sages, and aquatics. Verily, this is bewildering. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I think we'll stop here.
This one is the most, so far I've seen, this is the most, the best description of Lord.
Right.
It is bewildering to see that, yeah, he is active, but he's inactive. He is,
Right.
he takes birth, but he's the, the unborn.
Yeah.
It's amazing with this grace of the Lord here.
Exactly. So he's a Janma, right? Yeah. Punajasya Karturat Manahe, right? So he's unborn, he's inactive, but still everything is happening. All right, Rasik Shyam Prabhuji, comments?
हाँ, दो तीन चार पॉइंट है कि ये जो सेक्शन यहाँ से शुरू हुआ, महाभारत एंड हो रहा है, तो ये जो सेक्शन शुरू हुआ है बेसिकली परीक्षित महाराज का इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए हम सब। तो देखिए धीरे धीरे परीक्षित महाराज, हम लोग जान गए कि परीक्षित महाराज कौन है, जिनको भगवान ने स्वयं उनके गर्भ में जाकर के रक्षा किया है। उसके बाद यहाँ पर देखिए कि कुंती महारानी जो भगवान की रिलेशनशिप है, इस जब तक कुंती माँ ने प्रार्थना नहीं किया था, पूरे वर्ल्ड को उनके महानता पता नहीं था कि वो कितनी बड़ी डिवोटी है भगवान की और उनके स्पेशलिटी क्या है। आज तक जितना भी प्रार्थना पढ़े होंगे आप, लेकिन कुंती महारानी, जैसे आपने भी पढ़ा, कुंती महारानी ने कैलामिटी मांगा कि मुझे दीजिए ताकि आप मेरे साथ रहेंगे। तो इसका मतलब यह है कि दुख आए तो, क्योंकि भगवान आप मेरे साथ रहें, हर क्षण में आप मेरे साथ रहें, मैं आपको छोड़ूंगी नहीं, इसलिए वो कैलामिटी को मांग रही है। इससे कुंती महारानी का बहुत ही ज्यादा भक्ति और उनकी ग्रेटनेस मालूम पड़ रहा है। उसके बाद पिछले सेक्शन जब आपने देखा अश्वत्थामा का सेक्शन था, उसमें भी ये पूरे पांडव फैमिली के ग्रेटनेस पता चल रहा है, इसलिए भगवान के वो लोग प्रिय हैं। यानी चरित्र की महानता अति आवश्यक है भगवान की भक्ति में। द्रौपदी माँ का देखिए बच्चों का हत्या हो गया, फिर भी गुरुपुत्र को लाया गया। गुरुपुत्र को लाया तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगा, कैसे गुरुपुत्र को क्यों बांध के लाया, इतने ग्रीफ स्ट्रिकन लेडी हैं, फिर भी। तो ये चरित्र की महानता को दर्शाता है। पांचों पांडव, कुंती माता, द्रौपदी माता, इसलिए वो लोग भगवान के परम प्यारे थे।
Thank you, Prabhu.
परम
Thank you
भक्त
so
थे।
much. Yeah, thank you so much for a nice summary and explanation. अभी नवरात्रि चल रही है, and today is Thursday, so we'll take a long weekend break. We'll see you again on Monday night. And since it's Navratri, we'll hear some Garba for 1 minute by none other than Ramesh Bhaiji Oja. Okay.